Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a small Scrapbookcom haul to share with you guys. Last week they posted the new crepe paper all heart collection, so of course I had to jump on it because I did miss out on sunny days. I'm still gonna get it, but I have to wait a little longer. So let me share with you guys what I picked up. So obviously I picked up the all heart paper pad, which I'm going to definitely need another one. You guys, this is such a cute collection, perfect for summer and spring, and I need another one. I should have bought two. So that's the paper pad, and then I got the tassels, which are super cute. You get the little holographic ends right there. I love the colors. Everything is so pretty, so like 80s vibe. I got 2 packs of ephemera, because I always make the mistake of buying one and then I totally regret it, so I didn't want to do the same thing with this collection. I picked up 2 of them. I also picked up the thickers because it's another mistake that I do. You guys, I missed out on the Willow Lane's thickers, and every time I see them on a project, I just wanted to strangle myself for not buying them. Luckily, I found them recently on Etsy and I picked up 2 packs. Like whatever they had, I wanted, because I didn't want to do that again. So of course I picked up the thickers to this collection, and I plan to do so whenever I buy a collection. I'm gonna get the thickers because these things tend to, like, especially nowadays, I feel like everything runs out so fast. It's like sold out, and then half the time you can't even get it again, or people are trying to overcharge you for it. So I'm not doing that anymore. I got the puffy stickers. Enough of that rant, by the way. But I got these are like the puffies, right? Yeah, glossy puffy stickers. So cute, you guys. I love it. And then I got the cardstock stickers. Such an 80s vibe. Super cute. But that's everything I picked up. Super quick, super easy. Check it out, you guys. I'm going to leave all the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.